In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI, a powerful tool that can help streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Whether you're generating new text or analyzing complex attachments, with just a few simple actions, you can unlock insights and improve your content. Let's dive into the details of how to effectively use Notion AI. To start off, let's talk about drafting new text. It's as simple as opening a new page or starting on a new line and typing a prompt. You can also press the spacebar on a new line. Doing so will reveal a list of AI options available at your command. This feature is fantastic for those moments when you're staring at a blank page and need a little boost to get your creativity flowing. Next, let's explore how Notion AI can help you summarize information or gain new insights. You can easily do this by typing the command AI in a block. This will bring up several options. Alternatively, you can highlight a chunk of text and select Ask AI to receive suggestions or a summary. This feature is especially useful if you're dealing with a lot of information and want to distill it down to the essentials quickly. Now, if you're working with attachments like PDFs, Notion AI has you covered. By uploading a file into your Notion workspace, the AI can read through the document to provide summaries, extract key insights, or even answer questions you have based on its content. This can be a real game changer when you need to extract information from extensive documents efficiently. Already have content that you'd like to refine? With Notion AI, that's an easy task as well. Simply highlight the text you wish to improve, and a menu will appear on your screen. From here, you can select Ask AI for several options, such as Improve Writing, or Make Longer, Shorter, allowing you to tailor your content to your specific needs. Notion AI isn't just about working with existing text. It's also a powerful tool for brainstorming ideas. Whether you're tasked with coming up with new topics, creating checklists, or generating outlines for articles, videos, or reports, Notion AI can provide the inspiration and structure you need. Beyond just these functions, the AI can adapt smoothly to different writing styles and even translate text. You can also generate questions and answers from your existing notes to test your understanding or to create study materials. Now, do keep in mind that while many features are free to use, some advanced functionalities require an upgrade to a paid plan. This includes features like analyzing attachments and continued use beyond the initial free responses. And here's a final tip. You can easily access Notion AI on the go by opening the Notion app on your mobile device or using the Shortcuts app. This ensures you have all the power of Notion AI right at your fingertips, no matter where you are. That's it for today's exploration of Notion AI. Enjoy taking your productivity to new heights.